Day-7 story The cows gathering Ayutoh Mayutoma Atma. Atharvaved A righteous person has a strength equivalent to 10,000 individuals. No one can defeat a person on the path of truth. Story The cows gathering On that day, many cows gathered in a large pasture. The entire pasture was filled with herds of cows. They were grazing on the lush green grass, roaming around here and there, and playing together. The cows looked very lovely. It was the season of rainfall. The sky was adorned with light clouds. The cool breeze was blowing gently. After having their fill, all the cows formed a circle and sat down, creating an enclosure to engage in playful activities together. The old golden-colored cow was sitting sadly that day. Neela couldn't hold back and asked, "What's the matter, Auntie? You seem very lethargic today. Are you unwell?" Sona raised her head and all the cows stopped their conversation, turning their gaze towards her. Sona began to speak. "What can I tell you, my dear ones? I am growing old, and I can no longer provide milk to our owner. I have become useless because I can't produce milk anymore. He constantly scolds me. I fear that he might sell me to a butcher. Every moment, I pray to God for my own death." Upon hearing this, the black cow became very angry. She vigorously shook her horns and exclaimed, "These humans are becoming increasingly selfish. All the children of your owner have grown up by nourishing themselves with your milk. In a way, you have become their mother. They should feel ashamed of mistreating you." The yellow cow responded, "I have one question to ask. If their own parents become old and useless, will they also hand them over to a butcher?" "That's exactly what we should contemplate," Shyama said. Shweta added, "I have heard that thousands of years ago, the residents of India used to call us Mother. We were revered and worshipped like a mother. Their entire economy was based on us, our bulls, and our calves. Cattle rearing and agriculture were the primary means of their livelihood." Sona and Kali gently moved their heads and said, "The same soul resides in all living beings. Everyone experiences joy and suffering equally. Yet, humans, for some unknown reason, mistreat animals. Don't just talk about their mistreatment, sister. Listen to me as well. They don't let my little calf drink pure milk. The poor calf remains deprived. It barely gets a few drops of milk after struggling multiple times," Kali said. Yellow cow spoke up, "And my owner doesn't provide me with enough food to satisfy my hunger. They constantly try to extract as much milk as possible from my udders." Shweta said, "The children of my owner are so mischievous that they sometimes twist my tail or hit me with sticks just to annoy me. The owner simply laughs at their antics. We can't refuse or communicate in their language. Don't we also have life in us? Don't we also experience suffering? What do children know about what is right and what is wrong? They have to be taught since childhood. If parents don't do that, the children will go astray, and they will regret it one day." Abha said. Nanda said, "It was just last week. I fell very sick. I didn't eat anything for 6 whole days. My owner kept scolding me, but he didn't bother to take me to a doctor. Someone just brought some herbs for me. When someone in the house falls sick, don't they bring medicine for them?" Sona said, "Everyone has some or the other problem. We communicate through our own language, filling our eyes with silent emotions, but it seems these humans are completely incapable of understanding silent emotions, or maybe they don't even want to understand." Abha, filled with anger, said while digging the ground with her hooves, "Listen, let me tell you about the extreme cruelty of these humans. I have heard that they make fashion items, purses, sandals, and other things from the skin of aborted calves. These items are sold at exorbitant prices. Oh, this is a monstrous and barbaric practice of extreme cruelty." All the cows began to scream in agony together. Who will make these humans understand that for the sake of their fashion, their false pride, they inflict pain upon countless innocent beings and take their lives? In the name of fashion and false pride, they should at least refrain from using things made from the skin of animals, in which the breath of an innocent creature resides," said Pila in a voice filled with immense sorrow. Kali said, "We also understand the language of these humans, so we would tell them that we serve you wholeheartedly, with all our strength and devotion, throughout our lives. The milk that truly belongs to our calves, we willingly give it all to you. Even our dung is not useless for you. You turn it into good fertilizer, make fuel from the cow dung cakes. When we die, our skin serves your purposes. Then it becomes your duty not to mistreat us. Give us abundant food. Don't lash out at us with sticks for no reason. Even if you don't give us milk, still take care of us. Remember our initial services and don't let the butcher catch us. We are also living beings, we also feel pain. Don't treat us in a way that you wouldn't like for yourselves. Just then, Nandu, the cowherd, arrived playing the flute from a distance, to take the cows back home. May God grant wisdom to these humans so that they show compassion towards animals, Sona said, and all the cows stood up to go back home. And I am cow. I am a living being. No, I am food. No, I'm leather. Practice points. Adopt kindness to life. Don't hurt any living being. Plant trees near you. Love animals. Provide food, water and treatment. Respect everyone. Greet elders and help elders. Do your own thing. Sorry, thank you. Please apologize for making mistakes. Say, thank you. When you get help, say, please, to get help. Donate to the needy. Take care of them. Some actionable points for parents. Lead by example. Be an example yourself. Don't teach by words. Make the child aware of the shortcomings, sufferings and difficulties of others. Cultivate the quality of kindness through continuous practice. Don't make it a duty. Be more generous to the child. Give encouragement and support. Keep in mind that the child's instinct should be kind. The child's kindness should not be ostentatious.